Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper of a BMW X4. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Then, open the hood to gain access to the upper bumper fasteners. You will need a few basic tools, such as a trim removal tool and a Torx T25 screwdriver, to begin this straightforward process. Having these ready will make the job much smoother. Next, we will focus on removing the various fasteners. Start by unscrewing the Torx screws positioned along the top edge of the bumper, typically around 7 to 9 of them. Then, turn your front wheels to one side to access the wheel well. Here, you will find several clips and screws securing the fender liner. Gently remove these to reveal additional hidden fasteners that hold the bumper in place. Now, let's move to the underside and sides of the vehicle. Carefully get under the front of your X4 and remove the screws that attach the bumper to the undercarriage splash guard. There are usually about 8 to 10 of these. Also, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors. Take your time to ensure every single fastener around the bumper's edge is completely removed. Finally, it's time to carefully detach the bumper. Begin by gently pulling the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from one side and working your way across. You will feel the remaining clips release. Have a soft surface, like a blanket or a moving pad, ready on the ground to place the bumper on immediately. Always do a final check for any forgotten wires or clips before completely removing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.